G'day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the Easy Peasy First Timers Junk Journal. How you been going decorating it? Okay, remember last time I used a chemist bag? Go. That's what it turned out to be. Using what you can find, what you have, and we turned it into a pocket. One, two, and another pocket in the back. Remember that? Then I made the second one. There we go. I just cut these out. Where did I get this idea from? As you can see, the colouring book. Yay, there's an idea for you. Very simple. And of course, there's a pocket in the back, a pocket there, and a pocket there. There we go. Right, I shall speed up the next progress. What we're going to do is going to be another easy peasy idea. And I hope you have some fun with me and a bit of giggle. So we all get these shopping bags. And I get the paper ones. And guess what? Yep, they don't last long. I can tape it up. I've done that for others. But anyway, that's that. Just a little warning. You have a little barcode on a lot of them. And I scribble it out when I go to reuse them. Because I've been caught out accidentally and it will scan it again. Machines are so sensitive, so I always do that. So I'm not going to fix this one up. I'm going to sacrifice it to show you. Look at this, made in Australia. So I'm having that. Think of ideas to cut things out. I think there's another one on that side. Yeah. Yep, here we go. I'll put them in later. Okay, so we're going to do this. Here we go. Ready? Go. Whoops.
Squishy, squishy. Squishy blue. Squishy. Okay.